We concluded the month of August with the credit fund passing $9.6 billion in assets under management, and would like to thank each of our 93,000 investors for their continued support as we continue to grow together. In a rapidly changing environment, we remain entirely focused on the delivery of our fundamental value proposition, defending your capital against volatility and providing income to meet your income or lifestyle requirements. This unwavering focus continues, and we look forward to delivering this across the years and economic cycles ahead. We've recently finalised our FY23 Credit Fund Annual Report, which will show that across that financial year, we welcomed some 12,000 new investors into the credit fund. Our investors were rewarded with our portfolio accounts generating total investor distributions of an extraordinary $468 million, returns that outperformed benchmarks and provided resilient sources of low volatility income. Indeed, that figure of total distributions increased by close to $200 million year on year, a tangible contribution to Australia's wealth. We've spent the last 12 to 18 months or so in a period of heightened volatility, and it is the ongoing resilience of our investment strategies which is often remarked upon by investors, and for good reason. With an asset management business now 34 years in operation, we've been able to deliver for investors across all cycles, with none of our portfolio accounts ever having returned a cent of capital losses for investors. Through our careful asset selection, active portfolio management, and a commitment to diversification, we're able to look beyond the horizon to provide low volatility income for investors at all points along the economic cycle. The range of our investment strategies is also a benefit to investors, with portfolio offerings ranging from 2 business days right through to a 4-year term. We have product to suit the duration appetites of a range of investors. The variable nature of our investment rates have also been a benefit to investors, as investment rates have been able to increase across the market, delivering increased returns to investors. The Trobe Financial carefully and diligently builds its portfolios through granular positions in a wide range of loans. These are diversified by loan type, location, loan size, and borrower type, among others. Our 12-month term account, for example, has positions in over 10,100 loans, diversified by sector, located all around Australia, and with an average size of just $723,000. And while we're committed to diversification, so too do we encourage it among our investors. We democratise this approach to diversification with our peer-to-peer offering, the Select Investment Account. Through this product, we make individual loan assets available for investors to build their own portfolios. With peer-to-peer investing, you are stepping outside of the broader portfolios of assets to build your own pool of exposures. But with a minimum investment of just $1,000, investors can select from a range of assets, such as those that we have on screen for you now, but also many, many more, and that's ultimate to suit the needs that are unique to yourself. Again, let me speak to the benefits of diversification. The current investment opportunities in the Select Investment Account are, as they always are, listed on our website for you to review. And with a wide range of investments presently available, offering yields between 8 and 8.5% per annum, this represents an opportunity for investors to take a hands-on approach to investing, to build your own portfolio of assets with a return and duration profile to suit. Of course, our asset management team are available for any queries you may have, and our PDS and TMD documents are online for your review. Finally, investors of the Trobe Financial will have recently received an invitation to vote on the modernisation of the constitution of the credit fund. Our retail asset management business, spearheaded by the credit fund, has been in operation for over 34 years and grown to $9.6 billion in assets under management across 7 separate product offerings. We place simplicity at the heart of our investment strategies. They are transparent, they are intuitive, and they are easy to understand, recognising the importance of matching assets with liabilities, controlling and actively managing for risk, and delivering consistency in the outcome for investors. We have, across our 34 years in asset management, sought to enhance our structures while delivering new product offerings to market, all through the lens of providing additional investment solutions to our investors. It is through this lens that we're embarking on the process to replace our existing constitution with a modernised version A document that will replace our nearly a quarter of a century old document is reflective of modern practice and enables us to continue to deliver for our investors. It will also provide greater flexibility into the future, including for further product development. What I will say though is that through the modernisation of our constitution, we are not proposing changes to investment mandates, no changes to management fees or to the liquidity profile, the returns of investment accounts. We remain as committed to our investment fundamentals today as we were 34 years ago, and will strive above all things to continue with our objective of preserving investor capital while providing consistent monthly income to every one of our investors. An aim we are proud to have impeccably delivered across more than 3 decades, and an aim we are driven to ensuring is repeated for many decades to come. Thank you for your ongoing support, and thanks for watching.